I know that most of the time you try to remain invisible, but one of the points of this is trying to get like people introduced to and interested in working in the infrastructure SIG. So what are the best and most important ways that somebody from the community can contribute to your SIG?
That's a good question. Infrastructure is a little bit unique because we handle a lot of sensitive production systems. The front door, I guess you could say, to contributing is going to be our public code. And people are going to want to start with our Ansible playbooks on GitHub. That's kind of the framework for everything that we do. So if you're experienced in Ansible, you can help us build new roles or review existing pull requests. We also maintain a self-contained repository for our mirror system. The mirror system is a project that we've built from the ground up, and that's kind of the most code-heavy piece of infrastructure. It's easy to set up a development environment for that. So if you're good in Python and you want to help route traffic for millions of users around the world, that would be a great place to start. So we've kind of got some infrastructure-specific stuff with Ansible, as well as some more code-heavy stuff that's really easy for people to get involved in.
Yeah, that's true. And I mean, there's even things that aren't necessarily directly in your SIG. Like there's little things. If I think about the website for that would support the web hosting or the promo SIG, we're doing things like trying to make things more automated and more secure as we try to deploy the website. And then there's this little bug in the translation script that it has been so low priority that none of us have tried to fix it. But those are the kinds of things that you ended up like you wrote that script, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And that was
Yeah.
in the pre-AI days too. And that one was an interesting one to write. But yeah, there's a lot of
Yeah.
little things that we do to support a lot of other SIGs that aren't necessarily infrastructure. It's just, at the end of the day,
Supposed
we're
to.
all putting our heads together to get to the same end goal. So if we have skills, we want to use them.